Welcome! Today I will show you how to disable quick launch into a Samsung Galaxy A10. First of all, go into settings and find accessibility option, this one. Go into and then go into advanced settings. And here we got two options of our quick launch. So first option is power key and volume up key, and second option volume up and down key. So for turn off this option, go into your combination and click on the top to turn off, and click back for saving, and it saves automatically. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.